Hey, it's Ian, and today I have a great way to beat that summer heat. This is the portable and rechargeable Cool Living Fan with an LED light. Now what I love most about this fan is it is the Goldilocks of fans. It's not too big and it's not too small. This is the perfect marriage between power and size. And what makes this even more portable is the integrated carrying handle, which means I could take this and use it just about anywhere, both indoors and out. And of course, the head rotates 180 degrees, giving you that perfect angle. But what makes this stand out from all the rest is this LED light. Now this is gonna be great for setting the ambiance in the bedside table. It's also great to use as a nightlight for the kids, or you can even take this camping because the LED light makes a great makeshift lantern when you're in a pinch. Plus, you have two different settings, high and low. Now with the fan, you're gonna get 3 different speeds, low, medium, and high. And as we mentioned, this is rechargeable. The onboard battery is gonna give you up to 5 hours of runtime on a single charge. And when you need to recharge it, simply use the included USB-C charging cord. And here's a tip, if you wanna extend that battery life even longer when you're out on the go, don't forget to pick up a power bank from our site. Now these come in 3 stylish colors, gray, black, and white. Now you don't get a color choice, but that's why we can get you this for an incredible price. Now head on over to the site and see your special deal today. Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with an old-time favorite. This is the no-hole ratchet belt, and some even consider this to be one of the best belts ever made. Now let me show you how this works. Now the magic is in the ratcheting system underneath, which allows you to tighten the belt by pulling it or lifting the belt buckle to loosen it. Now unlike traditional belts, you are not constrained to pre-measured holes. So whether you gain a little weight or lose a little weight, you can adjust the size incrementally, giving you the perfect fit every time. Now this really is a one-size-fits-all belt. This will fit waist sizes from 22 inches all the way up to 44. Now my favorite part about this is that the stylish black leatherette strap never goes out of fashion, and it practically goes with any outfit. Plus the sleek buckle gives it that classy finish. Now when you first get this belt, you may have to cut it to size. To do that, simply wrap it around your waist, leaving around 6 to 8 inches of slack on the pointed end. Scissors will work best to ensure that you cut the line straight. Then simply install the buckle as shown. Now many people in the office has been wearing this exact belt for more than 5 years, so needless to say, this is made to last. Now as many of you know, an average belt can cost about $25 to $30, but with our incredible deal, you can buy several of these belts for that same price. So head on over to the site and see your special deal today.
Hey, it's Anissa. Today I have for you this large foldable storage organizer. 2 keywords in there, large and foldable. This item turns into this, and you can put this together in less than 10 seconds. Now there's so many things to love about it, but I'm gonna tell you a couple of my favorites. First, it's got this removable divider inside. This allows you to keep your items separated and yet organized. Then, I love the top. It flips up and opens, but it does it either way. So there's always a way to access the stuff inside. And then you've got 2 handles so you can carry this from room to room. And the nice gray color is neutral, so it matches any decor in your house. You're gonna find so many ways to use this. Here are a few of my favorites. I love it for seasonal clothing. It's great for linens. Oh, and don't forget, it makes a great toy chest. Use it in your car. It's great to use in your trunk to keep your things organized, or put your groceries in there so they don't go all over the back of the trunk. Best of all, our deal is phenomenal. You can expect to pay up to $40 for one this size. But our deal is nowhere near that price. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. But here's a tip. You are gonna find so many ways to use these, so stock up while you can. Remember, they fold up flat and they take up no room. So head on over to the site and buy a bunch today.
Hey, it's Ian, and I have a must-have item to keep your car organized, especially if you own a hatchback. This is the Stash Master. Now, to start off with, this has 3 ultra-large mesh pockets to secure anything and everything you might keep inside your car. Now, the best part about these mesh pockets is that you can see through them so that you can find just what you're looking for in seconds. Now, for your more compact items that might get lost easily, you'll be happy to know that this even has 2 smaller pockets up at the top. And installation couldn't be simpler. All you have to do is tie these to the backs of your headrests. Now, we've discovered just how versatile the Stash Master can be, and turns out it's not just for hatchbacks. You can actually fold this to size and tie it to the back of your front headrests. This gives you convenient and ample storage, which you can access right from your front seat. Now, let's face it, we all can benefit from a little bit more storage and organization in our lives, especially in the car where it's hard to come by. Now, we have a fantastic deal on this on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on. So head on over there and grab yours today.
Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have a great deal on this Perfect Temp Thermos Kit. It's got everything you need to enjoy hot or cold beverages. It'll hold up to 16.9 ounces. It's got a wide mouth opening so it's easy to drink from. And you get 3 cups so you can enjoy it with a friend. Best of all, it's BPA free, it's made of high-grade food quality stainless steel, and it's double walled with a vacuum top, so it's gonna keep your beverages hot or cold for hours. Now, what I really like about this is, look how gorgeous this is. And it makes a great gift. It even comes with a gift bag. Now, similar ones sell for up to $30, but you're not gonna pay anywhere near that. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. But we do have a limited quantity, and once they sell out, these are gone forever. So head on over to the site and pick up a couple today.
Hey, it's Ian, and today I have a product that'll benefit just about everybody out there. This is your new ultimate outlet. This is gonna take your boring old outlet and upgrade it to modern standards. Not only do you get to keep access to both AC outlets, but now you get the benefit of having 2 additional powered USB ports. Now, these will allow you to charge up to 2 devices, whether it be your phone, earbuds, watch, or so many more. Now, the fact that this is 2.1 amps, this will let you charge larger devices like an iPad or tablet. Now, one of the things I love is that this has a sleek and modern design, along with the functionality to back that up. Now, if you look at the top, you'll notice this notch here that serves an important function. This will hold your phone or tablet off the ground, out of the way, and saving you space all around the house. Now, you're gonna love that this product is ETL certified, ensuring that it's safe, high quality, and will last you for years to come. Now, we have an awesome deal on this that you're not gonna wanna miss out on. So count up how many you need, head on over to the site, and grab yours today.
Hey, it's Anissa. Let me introduce you to DJ. He's not any ordinary Blue Jay, he's our Deal Jay, and he loves deals just as much as I do. And we're both here today to introduce you to our Pulse TV Savers Club. Now, this is a 12-month membership that when you sign up, you're gonna save a lot of money. First, when you sign up, you're gonna save 20% off your order today. But that's not all. We'll also deposit $5 into your account that you can use on your next order. And if that wasn't enough, you're gonna save 10% off every order for the next 12 months. And we're talking about 10% off our already low prices, but also any specials we run, you're gonna save 10% more. Now, it's not just about savings. There's other perks too. You're going to get an extended return policy. That means 90 days to evaluate your product. Plus, with your membership, you're going to get access to an exclusive email address that gives you priority customer service. Signing up is so easy. Just add the Savers Club to your cart like you would any other item, and you're automatically going to save 20% on today's order. So load up that cart to maximize your savings. So sign up today and let the savings begin.